Thank God we finally here at Shuswap, north of Shuswap Provincial Park. Double campsite kami kaso nag-cancel sila mga kasama namin kaya eto, kami na lang dalawa, super lucky. Merong kuryente rin kasi ano to, pang RV. Yan, for ano,
Okay, Glenda's on the woods. Go, 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 go!
Happy Monday, everyone. It's still a holiday today here in Canada. So this time we have a Western